In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to display product variants as multiple products inside Shopify for the year 2025. If you're running an online store on Shopify and want to make individual product variants appear as separate products, you've come to the right place. This can be particularly useful for stores with products that come in various sizes or colors, allowing your customers to easily pick out the specific variant they're interested in. Let's dive into the process. First, you need to navigate to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page. This is your hub for managing all aspects of your store. Next, look for the Products option in the menu on the left side. Clicking on this will take you to a complete list of all the products you currently offer in your store. From the list of products, locate the specific item that you wish to modify. In this case, let's select Example Shirt 2. Clicking on this will bring up all the details and settings related to this specific product. Now, let's shift our attention to the Variants section of this product's page. Go ahead and click on Variants. This is where you can manage the different versions of your product, including things like size and color. To begin modifying how these variants are displayed, you want to click on Add option. This step is key in customizing how your product variants are managed and displayed. Once you've clicked on Add option, you'll need to set an option name. This name should be descriptive of how you want your products divided. For example, if you're working with t-shirts, you might use terms like or color, depending on what makes the most sense for your situation. After setting your option name, it's time to add option values. These values will correspond to the specific choices available within that option. For instance, under the size option, potential values might be small, medium, large, and so on. Similarly, under a color option, you might have red, blue, or green. If your product has multiple attributes you'd like to manage separately, you can click on Add another option. This allows for further customization, ensuring that each variant is displayed exactly as you want it. Again, set an appropriate option name, followed by the relevant option values for this next category. As you make these changes, remember they directly influence how your customers see and interact with your products on your store. By following these steps, your store can offer each variant as a distinct product, enhancing user experience and improving navigation. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively display product variants as multiple products within Shopify. This simple yet powerful customization can help streamline the shopping experience and potentially boost sales. Thanks for tuning in, and happy selling!